So on a rotating schedule, every 2 years or every year, if a tool is being used a lot, I take my tools apart. I'm doing that now here. Take apart this Proxxon mini drill and try to have a look inside. Give it a clean, brushes and so on. And grease bearings. Let's see what happens with this one. So yeah, got this Proxxon open and you can see it's typical. Lots of dust. Bearings are probably very dusty. I guess I could just oil that bearing right there. I don't want to go any further than that, but I think even the front should have been opened up. Let's see, some compressed air next. So it turned out that if I just remove the collet, the front of the unit came apart, and I can go in there and oil that too. I just cleaned out everything with my Karcher vacuum, which seems powerful enough for this job. Well, oiling now and assembly, and this tool is done for the next 1 year. Ha! It actually does sound happier. I like this feeling when it's just done.